are at 725 Northwest 20th Street. We're on the corner of 20th and Janeway. This is a corner lot. Across the street we have a church, and then across 20th we have a school. Janeway is a busier road, but not super high traffic. On the side of the house, on Janeway, we have a second driveway with a gate going into the backyard. Nice lawn. The brickwork is in really good shape. Ceramic tile in the entryway. Go in, we've got laminate wood-like flooring. This house is still occupied, so we do have some furniture and stuff. So this is going to be the main room. Go ahead and turn around. You can see it's attached to the dining room, ceramic tile flooring. Further through that way is going to be the master suite. There's the front door we came in. And there is the doorway to the hallway with the other bedrooms. So we're gonna go towards the kitchen first. Got this very large window looking into the backyard. There's our back door. That door to the left goes into the master bedroom. You can see the kitchen has laminate countertops, a deep stainless steel sink with a garbage disposal. Microwave sits on the countertops. Have a stainless steel hood vent. So we've got cabinets, not a ton of cabinet space, but these are pretty nice cabinets. They have the not slow close, but they are pretty modern hardware. Drawers have slides. We've got 3 doors here at the end of the kitchen. To the left, we have the laundry room. I did find the light switch in here. So let's see how much I can give you in the dark. There's got to be a light switch somewhere. Maybe. Ah, here we go. All right, let's try that again. So we have 3 doors here at the end. To the left, we have the laundry room, some cabinets. Not really enough space for a freezer or anything, but as you can see, they've got all their cleaning supplies. There's another little cabinet right here, with a place to hang clothes as you pull them out of the dryer. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 5, 6 steps deep, including where the washer and dryer sit. Coming back out, this middle door here, it's going to take us into the garage. The garage does have a safe room, and a step down. So we've got some steps in the corner and a grab bar. The safe room does limit use of the garage for 2 cars. But you would be able to get 1 car in here just fine. And then you can see there's room for a lawnmower, storage, all of that. Here's gonna be our breaker box. Everything's labeled. It doesn't look too old. This is our hot water tank. Do have a pan and a drain. No date that I can see. This door right here to the right of the hot water heater closet is going to take us out into the side of the house. See, there's the gate right there, and that's the neighbor's house. And then we do have this little alcove behind all of these rakes. It has shelves for storage. This shelter looks like it's 1, 2, 3, about 4 steps deep, and I'd say maybe 2 steps wide. So pretty roomy. The door does open in, so you could probably get 2 people in there, 3 people, just not super comfortable. And then there is the attic access. Back in the kitchen. So look back at the kitchen. There is space above the cabinets for storage, 3 lights, 2 dome, and then over the sink light. In the dining room, got room for a decent sized table. They have a hutch here. Through this door, we have the main bedroom. The floor looks to be maybe a painted concrete, painted and sealed. This window has some sort of privacy film on it. It's a vinyl window. All of the windows in the house seem to be in pretty good shape. I think this is probably a king size bed. So you can see it's a pretty large room. I'd say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8 steps wide. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 or 9 steps deep. The right, we have the main bathroom. Laminate countertops. We've got a deep ceramic sink and that nice faucet right there. A newer toilet, and then this sink or this shower is a drop-in, but it's made to look like tile, and a very nice shower head. There's the bathroom. This is the closet. We do have a walk-in closet of about 3 steps. I'd say it's about 5 steps wide. As you can see, there's tons of room to store and also shelves along the top. Back into the dining room. You can see the room. And then this is the back door out to the backyard. Very sizable backyard. It's over here on the side of Janeway, so there's the church. You can see the driveway right there along the bottom. That's our secondary driveway into the gate. Where is the gate? We have a driveway that pulls up to the fence, and then a short driveway that does not go all the way to the fence. And then this is where we have that gate. So if you wanted to, you could pull your car or cars into the backyard. There's the air conditioning unit. It's pretty clean. There's the clean out. I'm gonna go back inside. All right, so there's the front door, and then now we're going to the bedrooms. So straight in, we have the guest bath, laminate countertops, deep porcelain sink, newer toilet. We've got storage right here, drop-in tub. Everything is really clean and in good condition. All right, so from the living room, we're gonna go left towards the front of the house. We have this bedroom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps deep, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 steps wide as well. This is a twin size bed, give you an idea. And here is the closet. It's about a step deep and goes about a foot in each side from the door frame. Out this door and immediately to the right, we have another bedroom, same size, same sized closet, just a slightly different layout. This one has shelves here in the corner. Right next to that bedroom that we were in a minute ago, we have a hallway closet with shelves for your linens. If we go to the right of the bathroom, we've got another linen closet with roll doors, accordion doors. And the fourth bedroom at the end of the hall. Same size as the other 2 guest bedrooms. And a same closet as the first guest bedroom. Overall, everything seems to be in really good condition. We've just got some stickers, a few little patches, things like that, but it is a very well upkept house.